Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by locking and research and immediate listing work. First, find 10 to 20 high-intent keywords from Etsy search suggestions and competitor titles, then pick one primary keyword per listing. Once done, create 1 to 3 test listings with consistent branding. Make sure the primary keyword appears early in the title. Also prepare 5 to 10 high-quality photos, including at least one lifestyle image, and write a 150 to 300-word description that answers buyer questions and supports your keywords. Next, you focus on detailed optimization to move from setup to visibility. Use all 13 tags, mix exact phrases, long-tail variants, and synonyms, because tags feed Etsy's matching algorithm. Then complete attributes, materials, and the most specific category available. Pricing and shipping clarity improve conversions, so set competitive rates and multiple shipping speeds. Once tags and attributes are set, rewrite the description to be SEO-rich, around 160 to 300 words, and add clear alt text to each image to help search and accessibility. Finally, you launch and actively monitor performance. This is where adjustments win. Start with modest promotion, one paid ad test, a social post, and an email to build initial impressions. Then track impressions, click-through rate, and conversion rate. Make iterative tweaks to titles and tags every 7 to 14 days based on data. If a listing gets little to no traffic, troubleshoot by checking tags, category accuracy, and whether the listing is indexed. Refresh photos, update text, and relist to force reindexing if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.